Hi everybody, I'm Scott Geyer with John Deere, and today we'll show you how using a loader carrier adapter can multiply the styles of loader attachments you can own and use. In 2019, we produced a tips notebook video on why you should know about a skid steer adapter for your loader. It featured a Frontier SA20F skid steer carrier adapter that's compatible with smaller John Deere loaders for compact utility tractors that use the hook and pin quick attach carrier. It allows you to adapt those loaders so you can use skid steer style attachments with them. Well, that carrier adapter's been so popular, we've expanded the line. So now you can adapt most John Deere compact and utility tractor loaders to also allow the use of skid steer or global style loader attachments. To demonstrate, we're using a John Deere 4066M compact utility tractor with a 440R loader, a materials bucket, a Frontier Bale spear compatible with a global carrier, and a Frontier SA21E global carrier adapter. Here's how it all works. As you can see, the materials bucket is attached to the 440R loader with the standard quick attach carrier. Dan lowers the bucket and moves the carrier locking pins to the storage position, following all operators' manual instructions. Then back on the tractor, he lowers the bucket to the ground and releases it from the carrier. Next step, he attaches the loader carrier adapter. He just picks it up and rolls it back slightly. Then moves the locking pins to operating position while following all operators' manual instructions. Then he opens the spring-loaded latch on the global carrier adapter. Now he can pick up the Bale spear, move the locking pins to operating position, and close the global carrier adapter latch. One tractor, one loader carrier adapter. Two different types of loader attachments, one compatible with a global carrier and one compatible with a quick attach carrier. Now here's a great tip when using a loader carrier adapter like this. Maybe you need to switch frequently between two loader attachments that use different carriers, just like this bucket and Bale spear. It's easy to swap back and forth by just leaving the carrier adapter connected to its attachment. That makes hooking and unhooking, swapping back and forth, fast and easy. With a Frontier loader carrier adapter that's compatible with a John Deere loader, you can use multiple styles of loader attachments and get your work done with the tractor you already own, or the tractor you really want to own. Frontier has more than 400 implements and attachments that are available only from your John Deere dealer. The place to go for advice and equipment. Always read the operator's manual before operating any piece of equipment and follow all operating and safety instructions. And remember, for implements that help turn your tractor into the workhorse it was built to be, think Frontier and your John Deere dealer.